Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add or change your Instagram bio on an Android device. Your bio is an important part of your Instagram profile, as it tells your followers a little bit about who you are and what you're all about, so let's get started. Step 1. Tap your profile picture to begin. Open up the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're on the app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile. Step 2. Tap Edit Profile next. Tap on the Edit Profile button at the top of the screen. This will take you to a screen where you can edit various aspects of your profile. Step 3. Tap on Bio. Now, tap on the Bio section of your profile. You'll see this section below your profile picture and username. Step 4. Write your bio. Once you've tapped on the Bio section, you can start writing your bio. You can write up to 150 characters, so make sure you choose your words carefully. Keep in mind that your bio is a great way to introduce yourself to new followers, so try to make it interesting and informative. Step 5. Save your changes. Finally, when you're happy with your bio, tap on the check icon in the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. Your new bio will now be visible on your profile for all your followers to see. And that's it. Adding or changing your Instagram bio on an Android device is quick and easy. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.